You are my sunshine, my only sunshine. You make me happy when skies are gray. You'll never know, dear, how much I love you. Please don't take my sunshine away. Hello and welcome back. Today we are learning You Are My Sunshine. We will need chord A, D, and E. If you like E7, E7 works as well. Our strumming pattern is down, down, up, down, 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 up, down, up. And if you're more of a beginner, you can do down, 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 up, down, 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 up. And here's our chord sequence. So we have 4 strumming patterns on A. So let's try that. 1, 2, 1, 2, ready, go. 1, 2, 3, 4. Now we have 2 strumming patterns on D. Try that. 1, 2, ready, go. 2 and back to A. 1, 2, ready, go. Back to D again 2 times. Ready, go now. Back to A. And then our ending is A, E or E7, and A. And this is a whole song. You can use this for the choruses or verses. So let's do a full playthrough together. 1, 2, 1, 2, ready, and sunshine, my only sunshine. You make me happy when skies are gray. You'll never know, dear, how much I love you. Please don't take my sunshine away. If you want to add a little bit more drama to the verses or choruses or any next section, then maybe try doing a chuck in the future and play with the volume. But that's pretty much it. Pretty easy song to learn. I recommend that you memorize the form or pattern, and then the rest will come easily to you. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Ciao!